Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the ranch sauce. To start, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready. The foundation of a truly great ranch is a combination of good quality mayonnaise and fresh buttermilk, which gives it that signature tang and creamy consistency. Don't forget to finely chop your fresh herbs. This makes a huge difference in the overall taste and appearance. Getting these basics right sets you up for success. Now, let's get to mixing the base. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of your preferred mayonnaise with 1/2 cup of fresh buttermilk. Whisk these two ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has no lumps. For an extra layer of flavor and a subtle tang that brightens the sauce, stir in about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency and initial flavor profile. Next, it's time to infuse our ranch with its characteristic flavors. Gently fold in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill and 1 tablespoon of finely cut chives. These fresh herbs are essential for that authentic ranch taste. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder to deepen the savory notes. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and salt to your personal preference. Mix everything until just combined. Finally, for the best flavor, cover your ranch sauce and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Once chilled, your homemade ranch is ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect with fresh vegetables, chicken wings, or as a delicious salad dressing. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your amazing homemade ranch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.